this lecture, we will review thinking critically about integration and its results. The meaning of interdisciplinary is involving two or more academic, scientific, or artistic disciplines. And integration is the act or process or an instance of integrating, such as incorporation as equals into society or an organization of individuals of different groups. Interdisciplinary integration is the cognitive processes of critically evaluating disciplinary insights and creating common ground among them to construct a more comprehensive understanding. Interdisciplinarians have developed 4 approaches to integration. The first 3, contextualization, conceptualization, and problem-centered, reflect the nature and structure of knowledge primarily in these areas. First, the humanities and fine and performing arts. Second, the sciences. And third, the applied fields. Now, for my next few lectures, we are going to be learning all about the broad model approach to integration. The broad model integrates the best elements of other approaches to interdisciplinary integration. It reflects the instrumentalist focus on problem solving and subsumes the approaches of contextualization, conceptualization, and problem-centered. So in other words, integrative approach number 1 is contextualization. Integrative approach number 2 is conceptualization. And integrative approach number 3 is problem-centered. 4 strategies for integration includes redefinition, organizations, theory extensions, and transformation. So redefinition involves carefully analyzing the way that the key concepts are used within different insights. It may be necessary to identify different meanings of a term. Organizations involve mapping the different arguments made by different authors. Authors may be disagreeing simply because each stresses the importance of the phenomena they study and ignores the phenomena studied by others. Theory extensions involve extending the analysis of the discipline so that it includes insights from other fields. And transformation involves placing seeming opposites along a continuum. We can imagine a continuum from perfect rationality to perfect non-rationality. Now, when we talk about the result of integration, a more comprehensive understanding is defined as a cognitive advancement that results from integrating insights that produces a new whole that would be more possible using single disciplinary means. Unpacking this definition deepens our understanding of it. So, first, the more comprehensive means that the interdisciplinary results combines more elements than does any disciplinary stand-in or theory. Second, cognitive advancement refers to a variety of possible outcomes, such as explaining a process, solving a problem, creating a product, or raising a new research question in ways that would have been unlikely through single disciplinary means. Third, new refers to the improbability of any one discipline or mode of thinking producing a similar result. Fourth, Whole refers to the comprehensiveness of the research result. It cannot be reduced to the disciplinary insights from which it emerged. So again, in my next lectures, we will be diving deeper into the broad model approach to integration. And the broad model integrates the best elements of other approaches to interdisciplinary integration. It reflects the instrumentalist focus on problem solving. And we're going to focus on integrative approach number 1, which is contextualization. Integrative approach number 2, conceptualization, and integrative approach number 3, which is problem solving. In my next lecture, we will focus on the power and usefulness of research and the broad model of interdisciplinary process.